How to make a Discord channel read-only. So first you want to open up Discord and go to your Discord server, and then you can create a new channel. So for example, text channel, let's call it test, and then click on create channel. Now you want to click on the edit channel icon right here, and then you want to go to the permissions. And in order to make it read only, you would basically make it viewable, or people can view it only, and then you would decline or basically restrict everything else from the permissions. Make sure only view channel and read message history, I think, is enabled, which is this one right here. Check this one and basically just decline all the other permissions like this. So you would go through them one by one, and you can also allow adding reactions if you want to, otherwise you can restrict that. And pretty much everything else is restricted except these three options right here. View channel should be enabled, and then read message history should be enabled, and then optionally adding reactions or using external emojis. Then you can press save changes. Now if you basically access this channel and type a message on it and access it from a different account that is not an admin on this Discord server, it would basically show you only the messages sent by admins or whoever have permissions to right here, and the chat should be grayed out and you cannot send messages. You can only see and react to messages as a normal user. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.